Hello and welcome to Skydio Release Notes. This update provides a number of enhancements to improve connectivity and situational awareness. For this flight system update, you will need the drones and controllers in your fleet and a USB-C cable to repair your controller and drone. If you are managing a large fleet of drones, we recommend updating and pairing your fleet in one batch, so you can keep track of equipment that is updated and ready to be rotated back into service. First, update your controller to software version 39.186. Once complete, update your drone to software version 39.237. Once your system is updated, repair your drone and controller. Once paired, you are ready to fly. Note: your controllers must be claimed in your Skydio Cloud organization to fly using Skydio Connect 5G. Skydio Connect Fusion requires a drone equipped with 5G cellular. You can find instructions on how to claim devices using our help article titled How to Manage Devices and Batteries in Skydio Cloud. Now, here are the flight system updates for your Skydio X10 system. If you have a 5G-enabled Skydio X10, then you are able to fly with Skydio Connect Fusion. Previously, you could manually switch between Skydio Connect SL and Skydio Connect 5G before or during flight. With this new update, Skydio Connect Fusion will now use both connections automatically to provide the pilot with the most optimal connectivity experience. Connect Fusion provides continuous, high-quality video by encoding separate streams for both point-to-point and 5G LTE connections, then dynamically selects the best-performing feed in real time. When both options are available, we fuse them together, all automatically. For pilots and operators, this means continuous, uninterrupted performance. Whether navigating areas with weak cellular connection, dead spots, or contested airspace, Skydio Connect Fusion provides seamless communication and uninterrupted operations. Additionally, reliable connections reduce risks, keeping drones operational even in the most challenging moments, enhancing public safety. A more informative navigation health indicator in the telemetry bar provides clearer insight into the navigation source of the drone and its reliability. These new indicators will help you quickly assess whether you are using visual inertial odometry, VIO, or global positioning system, GPS, and give you better information on when to take corrective action if navigation quality degrades. New indicators include a yellow highlight if your active navigation source is weak and your backup source is unavailable, and a yellow compass that indicates GPS is awaiting heading. For a full list of the different states of your navigation health indicators, visit our help article titled Understanding Telemetry on Skydio X10. While flying with the X10 controller, pilots will see depictions of air traffic. If nearby air traffic is within the alert range, pilots will hear and see an alert, supporting safer operations. This new feature allows you to maintain full situational awareness and comply with waiver requirements for visual and audible air traffic alerts during flight beyond visual line of sight. You can use the adjustable alert range to customize the detection sensitivity to small, medium, or large, based on your operational needs. With FrameLock, your Skydio X10 now captures steadier imagery with improved foreground stability, all automatically. This under-the-hood enhancement keeps your intended subject in frame and reduces unintentional drift. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the improved subject framing. This improvement is great for inspections, DFR operations, or any mission where you need to maintain close focus on key details, especially while zoomed in. Enable on-screen framing guides to improve image composition during inspections and video capture. These visual guides help to center and frame subjects, making it easier to capture consistent, high-quality images. Each tool has a high contrast design that adjusts for day and night visibility and are available in photo and video modes for both color and thermal cameras. Centerpoint displays a crosshair in the center of the screen to align subjects. Grid lines adds a rule of thirds overlay for balanced framing. Diagonals displays two intersecting diagonal lines from opposite corners, aiding in angular alignment. You can enable 1, 2, or all 3 overlays in your display settings. When enabled, they appear on screen only, without being recorded in captured media. Once you perform this system update, make sure to perform a functional check flight and record the functional check flight in your maintenance log prior to your next operation. For a full list of new features and improvements, visit skydio.com/support. Thanks and fly safe.